Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the physical Bluetooth receiver is present and active, because without hardware nothing pairs. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and turn Bluetooth on. This exposes the radio to the OS. If Windows does not list the adapter, install the manufacturer driver. This resolves missing devices more reliably than generic drivers. Once done, make sure the receiver is fully seated or plugged into a powered USB port, and restart if the adapter still fails to appear. Now you put your peripheral into pairing mode, because the receiver needs a discoverable target to connect. In Settings, choose Add a Device, pick Bluetooth, then select your device from the list. This creates the link. If prompted, confirm or enter a PIN, 0000 or 1234 are common, and accept the pairing on both ends. Once paired, set the device as the default playback or input in sound settings so audio routes correctly. If pairing fails, toggle Bluetooth and retry. Finish by testing the connection. Play audio or record to confirm latency and channel mapping, because real-world behavior reveals issues drivers don't. If audio sounds thin, open Sound Control Panel, adjust sample rate, and set the device as default communication if needed. Keep drivers and firmware current. Updates often fix stability. If problems persist, unpair and repair the device. Try a different USB port for the receiver to avoid power or interference, or temporarily disable other radios to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.